Alright, what if that pricey gas you're using is actually hurting your engine? And that old tip about filling up early might be useless. Stick around, we're busting major fuel myths. We all want our cars running smooth without breaking the bank, right? But the world's full of so-called expert advice about fuel. Today, we're tackling the top 5 fuel lies, those sneaky myths that cost you money and could even harm your engine. A little knowledge here saves you big. First up, premium gas makes any car run better. You see those high-octane numbers and think your ride deserves the best. But unless your car specifically needs it, think performance engines, turbos, you're just burning cash. Premium prevents knocking in those engines. For most cars, regular is perfect. No extra power, no magic cleaning, just a lighter wallet. Check your owner's manual. This one's ancient. Fuel's denser when cold, so fill up in the morning and get more gas. Sounds smart, right? But gas stations store fuel in underground tanks where the temperature is surprisingly stable, hot or cold. The tiny air temp difference while pumping, its impact on density is minuscule. You'd save more finding a penny. Sleep in. Those shiny bottles promising boosted mileage and a super clean engine? Fuel additives. Pour one in and your car's a fuel sipper? Not quite. Most gas from good stations already has necessary detergents. Specialized additives might help old engines or specific issues, but for average cars, often just wasted money. Those huge MPG claims, mostly marketing. Good maintenance and smart driving help mileage more. Gas light on? I've got miles left. Playing fuel gauge roulette? Constantly running your tank near empty is bad for your car. Your fuel pump inside the tank uses gas to stay cool. Low fuel means it can overheat and wear out faster. Plus, sediment at the tank bottom gets sucked up, clogging filters or damaging the pump. That's a pricey repair. Freezing out? Gotta let your car idle for ages to warm up, right? Otherwise, you're hurting the engine. Actually, modern engines warm up better and faster when gently driven. Long idling wastes gas, pumps out extra fumes, and engine parts warm slower. Today's oils work well even when chilly. Start it, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently. Your engine will be happier. Alright, which of these fuel myths fooled you? Or got other wild ones to share? Drop them in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more myth busting to keep your car happy and wallet full. Bottom line, your car's a big deal, and fuel is a constant cost. Don't let old tales or flashy ads make you waste cash or stress your engine. Check your manual, drive smart, and question common knowledge. Keep those engines purring. Catch you next time.